Stars high, but I'm looking at the floor, yeah. This is me making moves, got these feelings and I'm sure, no, nobody can cramp our style, no, nobody can cramp our style.
For the first time in a long time, I'm happier. I got everything I need, couldn't be happier.
I don't slack, I stay on it. If the blame is yours, then you gon' be the one to pay for it. Woke up through some bands, I ain't even had to slay for it. Don't bet against the underdog, I was made for it. It's a quick decision, need no pivot, cause it's straightforward. At least the newer vintage got me dripping like a rainforest. Got it for the low, but you gon' spend more than I gave for it. Get too close, you better step back like you James Harden. You ain't keeping nothing, you might fade away. They ain't fit this feeling in a minute, why me stay today? And you know I get it poppin' like some major space. And I don't really like to talk unless it's major plays. Okay, okay. Everybody know I got the way. Get it done, I'ma do what it takes. Ain't going nowhere, I'm here to stay. Ay, go and get some more until it don't fall. I make sure everything's solid as if I sold gold. I be seeing everything like I'm watching in slow-mo. I be feeling heavenly stepping out.
Sports and Spa. Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's a Sunday evening and I'm going down to the cinema. Film House Cinema in Port Harcourt Spa. I'm going down there to see a movie. My favorite actress at the moment just starred in the movie, Nneka. So if you see them in Nabada in cinemas, please make sure you see the movie. It's quite interesting according to reviews here. So that's that. See you guys later. So Monday came and as usual I got ready for work. Monday morning work day and I had a meeting to catch up with by 11 a.m. So I was kind of in a hurry because I was running late. I had everything on the radar. I ordered a boat ride and I was so glad my boat ride didn't have any problem with the directions. So I wasn't bothered about, looking at where he was going. So yeah, this is what happened. Your girl was involved in a car accident. I'm so happy. Everybody was there, but I had no one to help me through. At the end, always a congratulations, but nowhere when I needed you.
I'm just counting.
If you take water, you realize that anything they come your way, even using a slight. When I was for 3 months now, I've not really taken soda, and I've not had headache. You get?
I just go there. Ask her whether I can get one drink because the Spilado is a beer, but they made it in tequila form.
Yeah.
He say he no get them. Not like me. So I say which one we? I want stand up one. Well, somebody just take one now. He say he get life. Stop. He say he get life. He get star. Say he get them spirit. So me I don't think.
All the shit you put me through, I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you to make you decipher clue. All the shit you put me through. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. So tell me what you want, tell me what trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you, to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. No, 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 no. Said it's time to let it go. Yeah, it's time for me to go over you. 'Cause I'm fine, yeah, I'm done.
Wild eyes, I know I've said it before, but this is me, different party, and she wanna hit the floor. No, nobody can cramp her style. No, nobody can cramp her style. But if I go in, it's 100% and on my own. I do this by myself, I just gotta be alone. No, nobody can cramp my style. No, nobody can cramp my style. We talk, we fight, we do it all tonight. We live, we hide. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. Stars high, but I'm looking at the floor, yeah. This is me making moves, got these feelings and I'm sure. No, nobody can cramp our style. No, nobody can cramp our style. We talk, we fight, we do it all tonight. We live, we hide. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. So how about we step outside? How about we step outside? Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. We talk, we fight, we do it all tonight. We live, we hide. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. So how about we start?